As I rise from the water, I pray that all my days they get longer. I pray I really be.
Hello, I am Alfred Waite. Most of you watching will know me as Lookz, musician, entrepreneur, and director of professional diving services, Seefront Productions, and Seefront Solutions. I have always had an intense love for music. I developed an early passion for business, and more recently, a flame was lit within, and with it came a keen interest in cinematography and visual production. It must be said, however, that above all else, my passion for our planet and my fellow human reigns supreme. Sometimes as a leader, you have to lead from the front. And with over 12 years experience operating through professional diving services, servicing the marine and hydrocarbon industries within but not limited to the Nigerian Delta, I felt it time to change the narrative and proceeded with intense community engagement, reaching out to wonderful and welcoming communities and spending real quality time learning and appreciating culture as well as history.
Try get you down. Don't let him try get you down, baby. Try get you down. Don't let him try get you down, baby.
When it comes to the sheer scale and actual causes of the severe environmental destruction, what you will be met with is an endless game of blame and counter-blames by the host communities and IOCs. I'm not here for that. Rather, I am here to muster up some courage, dig deep, and ask myself what it is that I can do, no matter how little, to save my own little tiny piece of contaminated mangrove. First morning in the community, and I am promptly invited to witness an important yearly festival, one where the people pray for prosperity, replenishing of the rivers, and also that the land be healed and restored. They wanted me to dance. And I still look forward to learning. My main focus, though, was on engagement and making most of this rare opportunity for direct fact-finding. And the facts are, there is no shortage of manpower. There is no shortage of concern. Children. So I say, let us come together and act. I propose a mangrove cleanup and restoration program. One that does not focus on the scale of the problem, but rather break it down into bite-sized chunks that are much easier to tackle. That way, even if it is by an inch a day, and even if it takes the next 50 years, at least we can all hold our heads high, knowing the positive impact we have made.